Welcome back to Primetime News.
And a special welcome once again to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and online at onespotmedia.com.
Up first this evening, the Mayor of St. Anne's Bay and Chairman of the St. Anne Municipal Corporation, Michael Belnavis, is back in hospital this evening.
And this is after his release last night following treatment for chop wounds.
The Mayor had to seek medical attention after he came under attack by an intruder at his home in St. Anne on Monday.
Now, TVJ News understands that a person of interest is also in hospital under police guard.
Davis was attacked by what we are advised is an unknown assailant. He sought treatment at hospital for his injuries and has since been discharged. He is expected to get better pretty soon and is thankful for all the outpouring of good wishes.